Welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Okay, today we're going to be installing a wheel kit on the Generac IQ3500. One of the things I really like about the IQ3500, it's a super quiet generator. It's probably the quietest generator I've ever reviewed. I love the power. It has awesome power deliverance. No surging. It's just a perfect generator in every way. Okay? But the one thing is, it does not have a wheel kit. And you can find a wheel kit online for it, but it has the 4 big tires on each side and it's real hard to turn around. So I'm gonna try and put this Honda wheel kit, because as you know, the IQ3500 and the Honda 3000, the EU3000, they're really close in dimensions. So I'm gonna see if I can put this wheel kit for the Honda on the IQ3500. There's a few modifications we have to make. So I've already pre-drilled my metal just to make it easier on the video, save time. The wheel kit we're going to be using is the Reliance front swivel wheel kit for the Honda EU3000 IS. Okay, it's specifically made for the Hondas, but I think we can get it to mount perfectly on the IQ3500. Okay, so here's what comes in the kit. You see right here, that's everything that comes in the kit. So you have your front wheels, the swivels, the mount for each side, so one for each side, and on the back you have the rear axle. Okay guys, like I was saying, the only thing you're gonna have to purchase is this metal right here, and you can get it from any home improvement store. It's gonna measure 3 foot, okay, right at 3 foot by 2. Okay, so it's 3 by 2. That's all you need. Cut it in half, and it fits perfectly. All right, so I've already cut mine. I've already drilled my holes. Let's go ahead and get it mounted. So I'm going to put this carpet in the back, and I'm just going to roll it back. That should get us perfect access to the bottom. Okay. So the Generac comes with this rubber tabs, 4 feet it sits on. Okay. We need to take those off. It's a 10 socket. So you just pull the, remove the bolt. That rubber tab comes right out. Little rubber feet. You won't be needing the spacer, but you'll need the bolt. So keep the bolt. You got the 4 feet that was mounted right here. On the Honda, you can just mount your axle to the bottom, but it doesn't work on the Generac. So we're gonna have to use this to make it work. We're gonna mount them in the holes, the exact same holes we took the feet out of. We're gonna measure the 2 holes. I've already measured mine. So we're gonna put one right here. Okay. I'm gonna put another one down here. So once you measure from right here to right here, you would drill your hole to match that. Then you just mount it in. Remember, we're using the same bolts. You just mount it. Okay guys, so this is This is basically what you're doing. You're going to be mounting these two on the bottom. Now what we need to do is we will get our swivel onto its mount. It's held on by these two small screws, okay? Get these together. It's a nut and bolt. Get it on. Then this goes on the bottom. And this mounts like so. The first nut, you take it off, put this back on there together with the nut. That should hold it in place. I'm just going to put it dead center. And then I'll tighten this one. There's enough space back here. It does not touch the generator, okay? So if you think it's going into the generator, it's not. All right, so we're going to mount. Before I tighten this down, I'm going to install both axles. Let's do the back one. This is going to be facing up. Let's go ahead and put the bottom axle on. One. It takes 4 of these. Five 16ths. Just going to start them. Once you get all the 6, 2, 4, 6 in, that's it. Okay. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the 2 main ones back out. I'm going to pull these 2 out. Okay. Pull it back out. Everything should be set. Everything should be set in place so you can pull it back out. And I'm going to paint it and we'll remount it. Okay. Okay, guys, so we're all painted. I'm just going to torque down the 4 bolts. That holds it down. Okay, so as you can see, everything is on. Let's go ahead and turn it right side up. It should just roll down. All right, so now the Generac IQ3500 has some wheels on it. That should make it a lot easier to move around. A closer look. All I have to do is secure my cotter pin. Get that like that. Let's do the other side. Okay, let's see how it moves around. Okay, so now that the IQ35 has wheels, you can see it's real easy to move around, and the swivel wheels just give you that extra mobility. Turn it around, push it back, wherever you need to go. Okay? IQ3500 with the Honda wheel kit. I honestly think this is something that anyone can do with a chop saw that can cut metal. It looks real good now. Okay guys, we just finished installing the Honda's wheel kit on the IQ3500. As you can see, came out pretty good. Now it's real easy to move it around. That was one of the hardest things with the IQ3500 is getting it around. With no wheel kit, that's just real hard. Let's take a closer look at it. Okay guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate that. Guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.